Hello, and welcome to this video on reading lists online, the student view. To access your reading list, you can navigate via Blackboard or navigate via the library website. Both routes will take you through to the reading list online system. Reading List Online gives you access to a wide range of academic materials which tie into your academic studies. They are an excellent starting place for any assignment. Note that different teachers may have different sections and section titles depending on the module's needs. Note how you can directly access digital products using the Access Online link under each resource's title. The library has lots of different ebook suppliers, so the front end page may look different depending on who's supplying each item. Most suppliers allow you to sign in and access a wide range of supporting features, such as the ability to search within, highlight, bookmark, and more. Depending on your course, you might have a mixture of print and digital items. Look at the available information to see either the location of the item or the View Online link. Use your reading list to keep track of what you have read by selecting the Mark as Complete option in the 3-button menu. See something you want to keep for later? Use the Add to Collection button to save it. Want to share a resource with a friend? Then use the Shareable Link button. And finally, use the Quick Cite button for help with referencing the resource in your work. Thank you for watching, and if you need any assistance, then contact the library.